Do you want to restore that shiny silver lock nut of yours? Well, this video is for you. Alright, so in this video, I'll show you how to restore that shiny silver lock nut just like brand new. So these are the items that you need. Metal polish, doesn't matter what brand it is as long as metal polish. Next, a small container for your lock nut. And then next, a cloth here or a tissue. And then a tiny cotton buds. Not the regular one, but the baby cotton buds. Later you'll know why we're going to use this. And lastly, of course, your dirty lock nut. So next step is pour some metal polish into your container and then put all the lock nuts that you're going to clean and then soak it for 12 hours. Now I already soaked this one last night, so let's see how it looks like after 12 hours. Alright, so let's get our lock nut. Alright, so next, pipe it in your cloth. Then each lock nut, you have to clean it like this. So each side, you have to rub it like this. There's no way we're rubbing this, so you can completely remove the dirt from your lock nut. Okay, so once you're done, clean this with water and soap. Now I'm done cleaning it with water and soap, so we have just to wipe it here, and you need to get your small or tiny cotton buds. This is the use of it. So you have to clean it like this. Now I'm done cleaning it with the cotton buds, and now I'm just trying this on a screw to see if it's still tight, just like the brand new lock. Okay, yes, it is still tight as glue. Okay, now here's the comparison of my old lock nut, which is on the left side, which is so dirty and accumulated a lot of dirt, and then on the right side, these are the lock nuts that I cleaned using the metal polish. So that's it for our video. I hope you learned something from it. Stay safe, have fun, keep on racing. See ya! We are inviting you to visit the Attic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and monthly tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.